Afternoon Live. Can you believe that fall is almost here? So it's already time to transition those closets from summer to fall. And here to help us out is the plus size fashion and lifestyle expert of ours, Haley McConnell is back. Haley, so good to see. I can't believe it. Although I can't believe it that we're having you on about something with fall. It's like it's right here. It's already here.
Yeah, it's insane to me.
But it's also a little exciting when it comes to fashion because we still get great weather in the fall, so you get to kind of dare a little bit. You get to wear pretty much whatever you want.
And I love layering. It makes me so excited because you can add all the different textures and colors and prints and things. And, you know, any excuse to wear plaid as well. So, I'm all about that.
Yeah, so share what transition looks you have.
All right, so I have a lot of organizing ideas because for me, it's really helpful to take out the summer stuff and bring in the fall stuff. And so I'm going to start right here with this scarf organizer. It's a really great way to be able to see all of your scarves. These are all my sort of light summer to fall ones, but it just fits into your closet. And you can change out the scarves for your winter stuff. You can add belts. So that way you can see all of your kind of extra accessories that you may not utilize a lot of.
Right. Oh, that's so much better than like the hangers I've used in the past. And then all the scarves fall to one side. Have you had that happen?
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely need a true organizer.
And I also find that the shoe organizers with the pockets on them that you can hang on a door, like behind a door, those are really great for scarves as well. I like to just kind of roll them up and stick them in the pockets. Oh, so it's great for like winter hats and gloves and things like that you can easily access. You can see everything, and so you're still using the stuff that you have.
Oh, I like that. Even the shoe ones they have for closets, you know, you can hang up. That's a great idea to use the shoes for other things. Like it.
All right, and so when you bring in your sort of accessories, now I'm like statement earrings, big necklaces, like all year round. I don't have any like specific way, like seasons I wear those things, but I don't often utilize my scarves. And so remembering that you can use scarves as an accessory is really important, and that way you can use them more. So this is a lighter scarf, and I love to bring out my brooches, which I don't often use during the warmer months, to accessorize and kind of pin the brooch. You can do scarves all kinds of different ways. There's all kinds of videos about that, but it really like jazzes it up. Like this is just a plain t-shirt, and adding the scarf really does kind of elevate it a bit.
And you're right to bring out the brooches and everything to use them that way, because you wonder how to use them, like sometimes closing the capes or something like that.
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
I love it. So did you say plaid is in for fall, by the way? I heard you mention plaid, and it's one of my favorites.
Yeah, plaid is always into me. Plaid, I'll wear plaid anytime. Throw me some plaid. But definitely, like every fall and winter, you're going to see so many plaid items. It comes back full force. So if you're really into plaid, that's the time to like stock up on anything that you want in a plaid print.
I love it.
All right, for shoes, the easiest way that I find to get to my flip-flops is to have a big old bin, and I put them in there, and that way I have access to them. I can throw them in there. You know, sometimes you're walking in the sand with them, and this sort of metal container is easy to clean, and it's just really helpful. And so if you're you're swapping out your stuff and maybe you want to put it in the attic, it's easy to like just kind of cover. It's easy to carry, move around. It slides into my closet, so it's not a huge deal.
And they do take up so much clutter, those flip-flops, I tell you, and you can't really damage them by putting them together. So why not? That's a great idea.
Yeah, and they kind of stand up really good, so you can just kind of put them in there domino style, you know?
Like it.
So the next thing I do is I use an actual shoe box like this for my more substantial shoes, and that way it saves them from getting all dusty. Again, they're easy to, put in storage if you're changing them out for the seasons. And you can also take a picture. What I usually do is have a picture that labels them here so I can see them when they're up, stored away. So I need to redo all of that. But it's really helpful, and I like that it keeps them from getting super dusty.
I like that picture idea. I mean, those are clear boxes, so that helps out too, especially because I have all just shoe boxes, and I have no idea what you put in them. That's a great idea.
Yeah, and I also like to jazz it up and get shiny paper because I love sparkles. So I have this shiny paper that I use for my wedding invitations. I still have a ton of it, and I'll print the picture onto the shiny paper so it adds a little something, something.
Yeah, add some fun.
All right, for your boots, which are going to come out in the fall and winter, I like for them to keep their shape. Pool noodles are a really great thing to use to help that. And even if you store them away, if you have the pool noodle in them, they still keep their shape. And it does keep the dust out of the shoe as well.
That is brilliant. All those ones that flop over too. Oh my goodness, Haley, such great ideas. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great weekend.
All right, you too.
Thank you. And we'll have more information about Haley and her website on our website at KATU.com. But don't go away. More of Afternoon Live when we come back.